Hello, I hope you guys doing well. So I think today I will be going to have the brief coverage of what has happened in the last few days. And I think this is actually very important to talk about because we are in the year of having a lot of elections around the world that I think it can be changing a lot of things in 2025 in the terms of geopolitical issues. So yesterday, I think we just had the general election in Japan. As you guys can see, that the ruling party, Big Ten, actually lost its majority, and this result was actually not out of my expectation at all because I feel like after Ishiba was elected to be the leader of the party, I could see its future in the next election, but I did not expect that he would be calling for the early election. We called it the snap election after he got elected, and I don't know whether he did this intentionally or he was having something else in mind. But what happened was that the reason why I say he is the reason for this loss is because Ishiba was known to be the person who actually betrayed his political party in the past and then tried to make another comeback to lead the party, and that did not work. He was actually one of the ministers in Shinzo Abe, former Prime Minister Shinzo Abe cabinet. They actually had the disagreement and he left the party. But before that, he was also the one running against Shinzo Abe in 2018 leadership election. And that is the reason why not a lot of people in Japan, especially those who support the party, would have any interest in this man at all. And I feel like it was actually like another mistake. That why he knows for the fact that he could fix something after getting elected, but he chose not to do it. I have a friend who lives in Japan. I was having a question about him to him that how do you think about this man, and he said that not a lot of young people know him. To be honest, maybe not a lot of young people don't know who he is, what he did, but they just don't know him. And psychologically, this is going to be the backfire because when you are running for an election, young people need to know who you are, whether they like you or not, or they actually have any criticism or mindset against you or favoring you. They have to know who you are. And I'm sure that not a lot of young people know him. And this is actually very more problematic because in the last leadership election, there were two more, in my opinion, popular in the terms of civilians, including Takaichi. She's known to be the close ally with former Prime Minister Shinzo Abe, and another one, Kozumi. This young man was very popular among the young people, bro. And both of them lost. And I think that the way that they elected this man into the leadership mostly come from the MPs, I mean the member of parliaments of the party. Correct me if I'm wrong. They're more favor for this man. So I guess that is the reason why he got elected. Okay, I think that's just a little coverage of Japanese election. why don't we just go choose have analysis on one company, huh? So on the mover we got today, there are some companies I think that it was having the highest gain and the lowest drop. I'm choosing one of this. I'm wondering what company is this? Transmedics? Okay, let's go for it. Transmedics. So it is actually the company end-to-end technology expert in clinical service and solution for the heart and lung transplant volumes. Oh, to be honest, I'm not very interested in the biotechnology companies, to be honest. Nah, not interested. How about going for VFC RIP? It sounds like VinFast to me. Should I go for VinFast? Okay, VFC Corporation, American global apparel footwear company. Interesting. Let's go for it. I am not minding to get into this one. VFC. Valuation more. Oh no, not this one. Sorry, my bad. Let's call it fashion, right? And apparel, right? Alright. Okay, balance sheet is unaudited. I need to know more what this company does though. What? Wow, it was founded at a very long time, huh? 1899. Outdoor active work. How about its products? Oh, it is a parent company of the North Face, Vans. Okay, Dickies. Okay. Ultra, Icebreaker. Good. Okay. Oh, it looks like actually a very good one to have research on. Because I know for the fact that the North Face or Vans, something like that, they always produce the pretty much trendy products that a lot of young people love. For example, like the puffer jacket and the bags, or some good ones for winters. All right. Oh. We need to have not real time, but still a kind of like automatically updated data for the better tracking. Market cap. All right, we get a market cap EV. Let's go for cash. All right, is it in thousand? All right. So until now, June 2024, they have 637 637 for June. Right, so $637 million, 420 debt, short-term borrowings, long-term debt. All right, good. Wow, they have a huge long-term debt, huh? All right, fair enough. Sales and revenues. Earnings. Oh. It looks like it's worse than I thought, eh? The net loss per common share. I didn't expect this, bro. I'm sorry. Is it pretty much undervalued for real? I want to check for Yahoo Finance to make sure that we have the better tracking. It's very suspicious, right? I don't think the company is that bad. Don't you think so? Enterprise value reported $13 billion. Am I lacking something? Let me check again. Let me get a better check. Oh, should we include this one? I think I'm liking this one. I hope I'm wrong. Current portion of long-term debt. I mean, still pretty much higher. Wait, sorry. I need to add a few more zeros. Still much be higher. But even if it is reported to be $13 million with market cap in this case, so it means that the company has more debt than the cash it should be. What? Okay, total cash 639. I think I was right. But the total debt reportedly to be $7 billion. I only got around like $2 billion. Oh, I think I need to add some zeros behind this one. Oh yes, I think you're right. Pretty much. Wow. I'm sorry guys, but this is really insane. Alright. So now in my calculation we got 12 billion, around 12 billion in enterprise values. Not so good. So this caused the company to have, I think, pretty much undervalued trend. The net income or the net loss 1,700,000,000. Oh, this is only 3 months ended in June. So I need to be. Oh, sorry. So let's try again with the net loss. 250A minus 2 versus. This is for 1 quarter, right? No, it must be minus. There's no way this is normal. It should be put that way. Alright. So the earnings for this one is a huge loss of $1 billion, around that. Not very good. So the company is pretty much undervalued right now. Well, actually, alright. Let's go to the valuation model. I think it's yeah, we should be taking this model. Yeah, the last time we had McDonald's, right? McDonald's was actually pretty good, in my opinion. Oops, my bad. Cost of goods sold. This is only for 1/4. So impairment of goodwills and intangible asset. So I wonder what makes this the share price was skyrocketing today, about 22%, right? All right, whatever. Let's go for it later. Interesting. Alright, we got some income, we got some expenses. Nah, I thought about it, but I don't think it's needed at all. Oh, there's another benefit. Oh, I just lost before. Tax. Oh, there's another income or net expenses. Okay. Other expenses. Tax benefit. I don't think it's tax benefit at all. I think that's just tax expense. Then you're gonna get another. Ooh. I'm wondering why they paid higher tax in 2024. But whatever it is, I don't care. Oops. We'll see, we'll see. Oh. Did I add any extra numbers? Oh. Still, how come it's so much? Holy crap, I'm a dumbass. It's the wrong number here. There you go. You're gonna take dilute it. No. Alright, so talking about the revenue growth, they only have, wow, even like minus a 58, oh yeah, minus a 58%. The gross margin actually doing not so bad, to be honest. But the problem right here is that I cannot see that if the company is still making money or not, because first of all, it has a huge debt, especially in the long-term debt, and I don't think it is actually very positive image for the company in order to gain any financial confidence for the investors. Even though the company is pretty much undervalued, undervalued, but I cannot see any improvement in order to make sure that we can have the buy opportunity. But if you guys are the traders thinking about, you know, intraday movement or momentum, or maybe like 1 week option, something like that, yeah, it can be the opportunity in order to follow momentum or the news giving the prediction on it. But for the long term investing, I cannot see any we call it like the spot that we can think that it can give us something to invest for the long term. So I'm sorry, but not VFC. So I think that is all for today, I guess. Yeah, earning per share, nah, minus. Not a very good one for now. Maybe in the future, who knows? I think like in 2024, they're pretty much having some kind of issue with impairment of goodwills and intangible ones that also cost them like $145 million. and a good and administrative, like $1 billion for the expenses, even the sailings. I wonder if the company is gonna have any further layoff on this one in order to reduce the expenses, but still boosting on the sales, because obviously it looks like they're pretty spending a lot, but compared to the revenue they're having over here, plus the cost of, yeah, I cannot see any positivity for this one at all. To be honest, I don't expect any. I mean, I don't like any layoff. But if the company wants to reduce the expenses in order to balance the budget that it should be doing right now, is laying off more people. To be honest, or some kind of department that they think that it is not necessary for this time. So yeah, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. So I will be back with another one next time. Thank you very much.